Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jamaican stew peas, step by step. First, let's prepare the red kidney beans. You'll want to soak them overnight in plenty of water. This helps them cook evenly and reduces cooking time. If you're short on time, you can quick soak them by boiling for 1 minute, then letting them sit for an hour. Always drain and rinse them well before moving on. Once your beans are ready, place them in a large pot with fresh water and bring to a boil. Let them simmer until they are tender, which usually takes about 45 to 60 minutes. While the beans cook, season your stewing meat, such as beef or pigtail, and brown it in a separate pan. Then, add the browned meat directly to the pot with the beans to continue cooking together. Now it's time to build those incredible flavors. In a separate pan, sauté your aromatics like chopped onion, minced garlic, and a whole Scotch bonnet pepper for a gentle heat. Be careful not to break the pepper. Stir in creamy coconut milk, which is essential for that signature richness. Finally, drop in your homemade spinners or small dumplings and a bundle of fresh thyme for an authentic Jamaican touch. Let the stew peas simmer gently for another 20 minutes or so, allowing all the flavors to fully meld and the sauce to thicken to your desired consistency. Taste and adjust any seasonings as needed, perhaps a pinch more salt or a dash of black pepper. This hearty, flavorful dish is perfect served with white rice. For easy storage and meal prep, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers, along with other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade Jamaican stew peas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.